See. All the invitees, please take your respected seat so that we can begin today's formal function. Thauram asibu mapung phahanbigani haina lengbirigliba khwai punamakna khonglei khara khajiktang thujinbiduna isa isagi phampham langda lengshinbinaba ningsingjari. Good morning, Namaste, Khwrwngwi. I'm your host, NaiywiTongnairok. Welcome everyone to today's program, and I'm very excited to be here and part of today's program. Today, the 9th of August, 2025, Indigenous People Forum organized World Indigenous Day 2025 on the theme Indigenous People Right to Self-Determination, a Pathway to Food Security and Sovereignty at City Convention Center, Imphal, under the aegis of Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum. The Internal Day of the World Indigenous People takes place annually on the 9th August to celebrate Indigenous peoples and their knowledge and raise of the needs of these groups. Thank you so much to all the significant people for your valuable presence on this meaningful occasion. With the permission from today's president, from this program president, I would like to take my opportunity to begin today's program. So now, I would like to call upon Chief Guest of today's function, Prayod Manikya De Burma, Head of the House Tripura Founder Tipra Motha Party, to come up on the stage and take your respected seat.
Athoiba mitunglen gi phambam lang da lengsin binabagi damakta Prayod Manikya De Burma, Head of the Royal House of Tripura, Founder Tripra Motha Party bu pampak thakta lengkhat pirakna bagi damakta nolokna ningsingjari.
And Rohul Philem, Vice President of Indigenous People Forum, to take your respected seat. And now, I would like to request Khongban Tabam Ibumcha, Honorable MLA of 8 Lamlai Assembly Constituency, Manipur, as guest of honor, to come up on the dais and take your respected seat.
Akanaba mitunglen gi phambam lang da lengsin binabagi damakta ikai khumnazariba Oza Khongban Tabam Ibomcha, Honorable MLA Lamlai 8AC busu pampak thakta lengkhat pirakna bagi damakta nolokna ningsingjari.
And now, I would like to take my proud privilege to call upon Ranjit De Burma, Honorable MLA 24, Ram Chandra Ghat, Assembly Constituency, Khwai, Tripura, as special guests to come up on the dais and take your respected seat.
Akhanaba Mitunglengi Fambam Lang the Linksin Binabagi Damakta Ikai Khumnazariba Sri Ranjit Devarma Honorable MLA 24 Ram Chandragat AC Kwai Tripura Bosu Nolukna Linksinjari.
And now, I would like to call upon Anup Chetia, Chairman, Northeast Indigenous People Forum, to come aboard the dais and take your respected seat. Please, sir.
Ngasigi Tauram Mapugi Fambam Lang the Linksin Binabagi Damakta Ikai Khumnazariba Mingway Nahanga Cherabada Anup Chetia, Chairman, Northeast Indigenous People Forum Busu Ikai Khumnabachari.
And hereafter, I would like to call upon R.K. Megain Sanayama, special invitees of today's function, to come upon the dais and take your respected seat.
Kanaba mitunglengi Famam Lang the Linksin Binabagi Damakta Ikai Khumnazariba Toido Hendok na Miyam na Khangnaraba Ahal Ibungo Mingway na Hangacherabada R.K. Megain, former Chairman UNLF Pampakthak the Lingkat Pirak Naba Nolok na Ningsingjari.
And now I would like to call upon Amrik Singh Pua, Manipur Sikh, Advisor, Ministry of Minority Affairs, Government of Manipur, to come upon the dais and take your respected seat.
Tauram Asibu Yauna Bagi Damakta, Mapandagi Dali Dagi ticket Kaktuna Akhanana, Lengbirak Liba, Ikai Khumnazariba, Amrit Singh Pawa, Advisor, Ministry of Minority Affairs, Manipur Sikh, Guest of Manipur Bu, Ikai Khumnaba Uchari.
And now I would like to call upon President Democratic People Front, DPF, to come upon the dais and take your respected seat. And now, I would like to request Nauram Banita Devi, IRS, Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, Kolkata, to come upon the dais and take your respected seat. Thank you very much, all the dignitaries. And now, we will be having welcome song by Needy Home.
Ngasigi welcome song Kudol Tambi na Bagi Damakta Needy Home Bu Nolok na Ningsingjari.
Sorrow.
That was awesome, and thank you very much, Nidhi Hong, for your welcome song. And we are very sorry, I think we have missed to call President Democratic People Front, DPF, Oja Dr. Narengbam Rajib Kumar. Please come up on the dais and take your respected seat.
Democratic People Front DPF ki President oina thau pubiriba ikai khumnajariba Oja Dr. Narengbam Rajib Kumar bu hombang thak teleng khatna pirakna Norok ni singjeri.
And now, we would like to honor and acknowledge all the dignitaries with Lengyanfi as a mark of respect. And here is an announcement. We are deeply sorry for Oja Asankasar. He would not be able to attend today's function due to sudden health problem. However, we are very much proud of Oja for your effort and hard work you have done for Indigenous People Forum. Thank you. Now we will honor and acknowledge all the dignitaries with Lengyanfi as a mark of respect.
Lengyanfi kudol tamdabagi tanja adu lauzage.
Thank you very much, and now I would like to request Rohan Philem, Vice President, Indigenous People Forum Manipur, to give welcome address and introduction.
Taramna ukpagi warol thambina bagi damak State Vice President Rohan Philem bu Norok na ningsingjeri.
Good morning, everyone. Ay ngasigi welcome address kitang di sang batare. The reason being, I would like to give my welcome speech a little long, and also half of it in English and half of it in Manipuri. My utmost respect to, firstly, to all the dignitaries, our chief guest, Sri Dev Barmaji, head of Royal House of Tripura, founder Tripura Motha Party. Our guest of honor, Laktragasu Sri Khujulujo Nainu, Honorable MLA, leader of NPF Legislative Party, Sri Ramwiba, retired RS, Honorable MLA, 44 AC Ukrul, Shri Khongbang Tabam Ibomcha, Honorable MLA Lamlai AC, our special guest Shri Ranjit Debarma, Honorable MLA, Khwai AC Tripura, and also Shri Ponakon Borwa, Honorable MLA, Chaubo AC. Our functional president, like Semba Sana Jauba, Honorable MP Rajya Sabha. Aduga special invitee da Shri G. Gaingam, former president UNC. Aduga ikoi punamaki ahalibungo ibiriba RK Megan Pabung Sanayama. David Simre, former president TNL. Amati akoi lakbiriba Pabung Amrit Singh. Aduga akoi Che Banita, IRS commissioner, and also president of DPF Manipur. And to all the dignitaries, special invitees, to all the indigenous people of Northeast and this region, Aikoi Mayam gi mahut pulap sinjaraga sinjal langjariba Aikoi Khwai Khibiki taraftagi, we give you a very warm welcome. Today's function was indeed another impossible task, but by the grace of God, with all the blessings of different sectors and different fraternities, Ishorgi Thokzaldagi ngasigi function se soiba yade na Ishorna shinna birak pagaloina na haibatare function sing asi mai pak na pangthokpa ngamjabani. Aduga ngasigi function si mai pak pagi maram si Amarum the Hairagadi presiding Oina Aina Pamjaragasu Tauram Simai Pan Badi a whole credit si Zasanka Sarda Pizaning. Even though I am seated today here in the dais as the president member, I would like to give all the credit and honor to our Oza Sankasar for doing every possible thing to make this function a successful one. And despite of all the unavoidable circumstances, and many things have happened day before yesterday and yesterday, and sometimes I recently got married, and my wife always used to say, "Why are you always in the difficult state every time this happens to you?" And I saw a video some months back telling why God every time all these things to us, this kind of things to me. And then the answer is like this: God is making these things happen because He wants to bless you in more abundant way. Shigumma mayam se thoalisi atai kemtagi natte dubu ishorna Amarum the Harigadi Aikatana indigenous people sing Sida Chaukatpa Porak Anabagi the Makta Akoida Sigumba Changyang Mayama Tobani Havisimayamna Masima Kangbiu Aduga Nasi function Sigi my Panganaba Honabada Akoigi Chauna Mating Lokraba Aduga Ngarang the Gikoi heck function sheet Toba Yaradi na Muk High by the Gikoi paper, a circular talk, but the Chenmin Nariba Langmin Nariba Kuding Maxing Sigi Maikay the Su I Hanana Tagapa from Lok Cheriduga Ahel Singi blessing sing Sigana Su Nasigi function as Sinbangam Javani. And it's a very tough day for me also. I mean, I have been doing social activism for the past 10 years. And sir, if you are aware, I came to Tripura all the way by cycle. By the way, I am a cyclist and I have been traveling all over India by cycle for almost 17,500 kilometers. And I came to your palace also by cycle, I visited, but that time I was not able to meet you though. But today I'm so privileged that I'm able to meet you. And I wished all you a very best, every one of you, and let this function be a successful one. And Soigiba, Lankiba, the Gikoi, Apen Penda Mayam saying, I see. Ishorna Kogi Matakta Tambirak Panina Kantok Minera Pentok Loina function si Pazana Mai Papa function or Minersi have as a Tamjaraga. I may am the Gi Bidai luxury. God bless you, everyone. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Rohan Film. And now I would like to request chief guest of today's function for souvenir release. Along with Rohan Film. So please release the souvenir.
Northeast Indigenous People for a Manipur Amadi Indigenous People for a Manipur gi Souvenir adu miyam da khudol tamjari. Thagachari. Northeast Indigenous People for a Manipur Amadi Indigenous People for a Manipur gi Souvenir miyam da khudol tam khrbagi makha chathajarakpa asidi ngasigi thauram asigi atenba ten